Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And yes guys, yes, please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. In Jamaica, you make cabbage and corned beef and macaroni, cabbage and saltfish, whatever you want to make, guys. Straight cabbage by itself. Alright, so now we're just gonna make some cabbage and corned beef, and I'm gonna cook like a spoon of rice or something, and I might fry a plantain. I have some scallion here. I'm just gonna cut them up. I already cut up some garlic, okay? So let's take these out. Garlic one side. And this is my onion. Half of a tomato. Some cucumber. I might just use half, like one strip, and just cut it up. Something like so. I have some carrots, and I'm gonna do it like this. Watch your fingers. And what you want to do with the carrot, just turn it over like this and slice it. Okay. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut my cabbage. Alright, take out this part. I like to cut it down this way, not this way. I like to cut it down. So now I'm just gonna slant it, and I'm gonna cut it. Like this part, I like to cut it off. I don't like these big hard parts. You can cut it thin, you can cut it thick. And I'm gonna throw away this hard part here. And you want to rinse the cabbage, okay? Some Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is my cold pressed extra virgin. I'm not gonna put a lot of oil in it. You can put more or less. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. I think that's good. And now I'm gonna fry up my scallion, onion, and garlic. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of my blended seasoning. This combination, it smells so good. Alright, now I'm gonna add my tomato, my carrots, and my cucumber. And you can go ahead and put your pepper in now. Now I'm gonna add some thyme and my bell peppers. They are frozen, so you want to turn up the stove a little bit for this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of this Maggi, just like a teaspoon or maybe half. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Let this fry down a little bit, alright? For maybe 2 to 4 minutes. Everybody knows if you open corned beef already, alright? I never usually take off that. That's okay. You want to put it in it. And if you don't have this on it last, you can use a knife or something to cut it. Or maybe a cutter around here. Voila. You see all them part here, extra oil. I don't like this. Take it off. I always clean it up. Guys, if you don't want no corned beef, just put the cabbage and eat it just like that. Or you can put some saltfish. Okay. Now, I'm going to grab my corned beef. I'm just going to use my fork and I'm going to press it out. Some people cook with a lot of oil. Even though it's olive oil, I don't cook with a lot of oil, okay? I don't do it. You can even cook up the corned beef like this and eat it, you know, guys. You don't have to put the cabbage. Do whatever you like. I'm just going to give this about 1 to 2 minutes and then I'm going to add my cabbage. And as I said before, you can cook up the corned beef differently. You can cook up your cabbage and mix everything together. It's up to you. Now I'm going to add the cabbage. And you're just gonna mix it up, okay? Stir it up a few times and it's ready. Look at that now. And this is it, guys. A little bit of black pepper. And that's it. I cook some rice, I fry some plantain, and over here it is. Let's go. Put it here. Voila. Ooh. Put some right here. Yeah. I think that will do for one person. Put a few pieces of plantain. Nothing too fancy, guys. So guys, what I did, I just add some parsley flakes, okay? And this is it. All right, yes, this is my cook up corned beef and cabbage for you guys with some plantain and white rice. All right, yes. Cook up corned beef with some cabbage, served with some white rice and plantains. Original, authentic Jamaican food right here, so guys. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Yeah, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. Blessings. And put God first. Remember to pray and remember to smile. Bye, my peeps. All right, my peeps, I'm gonna taste it for you. Shelly belly rice. Just put it in it like that, guys, and mix it up. All right, guys, you have a good day. Bye, my peeps.